What's up? How we doing? What's up, Abdallah? What's up, Pete? Guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? How's it going, everybody? How's your Fridays going? Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? I hope you're having a good Friday. I'm having a good Friday, you know. Out here doing our best to navigate these markets. Very volatile, very crazy times. Bitcoin at $40,000. 40,600. Seeing some fun on the timeline. Don't really know what to do here, but you know, we're gonna do our best. How are you guys doing? Yeah, dude, I have COVID. I have the Rona. Is what it is. We're power through it. Abdallah, hey, what's up? Pete Chode, what up? David G, sup? Steo, hey man, how you doing? Trading Pup, ayo, Fawad, chillin'. Henrique, sup? Bubbles, everyone. Thibaut, how are we doing, guys? Hey, so glad we're all here. Ali, what's up, man? How we doing, guys? Gordon, I'm doing well. How are you doing? Let's just look at what let's look at like Loma's saying. Loma's saying, careful with adding more exposure towards the tail end of a move. Made money on this move up, but if I'm being real, price is moving in a way that makes me really uneasy. I have this weird feeling the market is about to try to take back some of the money it gave you guys. What do you guys think about that? Because I saw that and I was like, oh, Loma, come on. Why are you going to do that to me? What are you trying to say here? Bull market coming to an end. Is that what you guys think? Saw that tweet, started taking profits. Really? I mean, to be fair, Loma has done incredibly well this run, and you know, that combined with the chart looking the way it does, I mean, if I'm him, I'm in full defense mode. Like, what you at least want to see, I guess what Loma probably wants to see is just something, like, you know what I mean? Like, just some sort of dump and then back up and establish some sort of range so that some volatility can drop off and some other things can get moving. So, you know, it's a good point that he's making. He's just trying to, you know, look out for everyone because, I mean, look how high the market's up. It's above 40K. That's more than twice as high as all-time highs. So, you know, it's a little, it's fun times that we're in. Fun times for sure. What's up, Nathan? Shabam, hey, man. It's hard to be bad these days. Yeah, you know, if you're focused on the right things. Loma's God, yeah. Loma, for me, is in my top 3 of everyone on Twitter, and he's luckily I think I can call him my friend, so you know, that's a pretty cool. But yeah, he's amazing. Bull market coming to an end? You think so? I don't know. I don't think so. We got a long way to go, but that does not mean that from here to 6 figures we're not going to get some pretty gnarly corrections, shakeouts, you know. Sell, LOL, yeah. I still bought the dip on some strong alts. What'd you buy them on? Good morning, sir. What's up, Paulo? Ben Kin, thoughts on Theta in the next week? Let's see. Well, I don't know. Hold on. Let's do this over again. Could you increase the quality of your stream to 720p? At least it's very blurry now. You think I can afford 720p? Man. Theta, yeah, I don't know. I think it's fine. It's fine. You probably just want to hold this. You hold that, you're fine. It's just gotta create some sort of structure. Like, it's gotta create, if it's gonna really give another big move up, it's gotta create some sort of structure in here. Like, maybe like, I don't know. Actually, I don't know. But if it's above here, it's fine, especially with the light purple is the 100. The dark purple is the 50, and the red is the 20. So as long as the 100, the light purple holds, and this level, it's fine. Yo, Tunes, what's up, Hemi? How do I speed this up? Pete, what do you mean? Bruh, what up, Paulo? Steo, you're just firing off tickers, man. Come on. Really? What do I look like to you? Watching me and credit at the same time? Nice. Awesome. I think Twitter was messing with your account. I had to and given a bunch of likes earlier. Blah, blah. I'm sitting 50% cash. Retrace 36. Blah, blah. Okay. I don't know. Twitter's can be buggy at times. Hey, Tunes, you're one of the best in finding gems. I agree. Tunes, what's your... Oh, TikTok investors in the chat. Oh. What's your analysis on the Great Doge? Dude, honestly, Doge looks pretty good, I think. I think under a penny, it's good. Honestly, I was showing some of this to my Telegram last night. Basically, when you have price go up like this, and then volume also go up like this, that's volume is confirmation of a trend, okay? So if it's trending up and the volume is going up with the trend being up, that's confirmation that, okay, this trend here is legit. But then when it goes down and then volume goes down, that is basically like confirmation that the trend is not legit. So when it's going up and volume's going up, that means this uptrend is legit. When it's going down, since volume's going down, that means that this downtrend is not legit. So that means up is legit, down is not legit. So overall, bullish. Looks very good. Very good. Very good. This is going to be basically, I think under 1 penny is like the, you know, you're going to be called an OG by like the world if you get in Doge under a penny. Especially these TikTok kids, you're like, oh, you didn't, like, when you were riding in the streets, I was buying Doge 1 cent. You know what I'm saying? You asked what I bought. Oh, okay, yeah, Steel. My bad. I recently stopped working for Algo and went to AVX. Will the chart show if that was stupid? I don't know, dude. Probably not, since market caps are in your favor. Thoughts on Atom? Atom's fine. It's just another one of those big caps that it's kind of like DOT in a sense. I've heard that it's not as good. Basically, Atom, very simple. I don't know. It's kind of gross chart, honestly. There's better stuff out there. Thank you, good sir. You're the man. You too, brother. Glad to see you. You're flipping our Telegram for not being able to explain properly. I know, because I was teaching a lesson. I said it wrong. I was so mad at myself. Sometimes I'm getting like foggy headed having COVID. It's like, it's just. Do you guys want to hear about what COVID's like? Just realized I've been pronouncing your name wrong all along. Yeah. Very rude. Lol. I figured how. Hola desde Mexico. Show your face, dude. Why would I show my face? If I showed my face, I'd have my DMs be flooded. Hey Tunes, what's up? AVO. For when travel kicks back up. Alright. Let me. Savage. Love you, man. Just like, you know, those narrative, like, that's not like real. Like, it's not like, oh, travel picks up, so then that means a travel coin is gonna go up. Like, that's just like, just get that stuff out of your head. Okay, like yes, that makes sense that would be a thing, but that's not how these markets work. That's how stocks work. That's not how crypto works. Tell us about it. Okay, since only one person asked, I'm sure none of you care. COVID is basically you get chills, you get a cough, you get a bit like foggy headed where like you feel like you can't really think 100%. You get a little bit like easily tired, like low energy, and then yeah, that's it. It's like not that bad, but like also I'm 24, so it's just like, you know. But yeah, I'm like fine now, so it's chilling. Thoughts on RSR, dude? RSR, the God coin. RSR, the God coin. So training while recovering is no go. I mean, yeah, I just did some push-ups, but I feel fine now. But like I couldn't I did the dishes like 2 nights ago, and I low-key got like gassed just doing the dishes, which is ridiculous. So I was like, wow. But I feel fine now. Like I was doing push-ups because they kind of freaked me out. Check Theta USDT. You tell me 3 times, bro. Come on, relax. Thoughts on Link? Let's look at Link real quick. I always worry that my bad charts are going to show up whenever I open this up. Link, full parabola, crashing down. I mean, honestly, I think that's your level right there. And you got to just wait for price to kind of do that for a little bit. And then finally it'll break up. But until it breaks like that level, it's like, I don't know. Either that level or, let me see. That level, and then also kind of like, maybe that's a bad illustration. Kind of this level too. Okay. So instead of this, like, you can get something like, I don't know, you know what I mean? Like, some sort of range. Until you break this level, you're not really going to get any meaningful up move against Bitcoin. Against Bitcoin. I'm a power lifter and also teach powerlifting and train General Public. If you need help, let me know. Oh, sweet, dude. You ever been to Boston? Let's look at it. Theta USDT. Oh, wow. Look at this chart. Yeah, so this was a very nice continuation. So it's up, and then kind of have this going on with some people trapped up here, so you know. Probably look to get some below. See some wicks down here. You know what I mean? And you get a little that going on, and then price kind of just like, you know, comes down, then sweeps down, and then comes back up, and then, you know what I mean? Like that. Something like that. Something like that, man. Thoughts on Tomo? Want to see Tomo? Alright, some Tomo going on. Ooh. Hold on, it's like an older chart. Yes. Here we are. That's sweet. Yeah, Tomo's pretty simple. If you above this level, it's good. What you want to see is Yeah. Okay, so what you're going to want to do for Tomo, you see you have this nice downtrend that wants to break soon. What you do here is if it breaks it, okay, if it breaks it, what you then are going to want to do is look for it to pull back into a recent high that it made, okay? So you take this high right here, say it breaks up, okay? You're going to get, you have a high here, and then you're going to have a high here, and then it's going to pull back. And then it's going to pull back. You know what I mean? And you're going to kind of have some room here. You have some room there. You know what I mean? Oh, man. I cracked myself up. But the point is that when price does go up, and when it breaks out as trend line, what you're going to want to do is you're going to look for the most recent high that it made, this little move right here. Then you're going to draw your little support here. And then you're going to look for price to come back down and actually retest it. And then you're going to try to buy or retest here. Okay? So first you wait for the break in the downtrend. Then you wait for the retest of this high that's set before. You buy it on the retest of the high. And then you place your stop at the low of where the move is generated. So if it does break up from here, you see how price start from here, go up, and now come back down. If price goes from here up here, and then this was the move that led to the impulse up that then led to the pullback, you then place your stop below this level. So this is the low, which is, it says up here, that's L. The low is 2151. So then you put the stop at 2150. I don't know. I think I messed that up. But yeah, that's how you do Tomo. And then you just ride it up, because if it's breaking out that downtrend, it could really run. That's simple. And that's not Tomo specific. That's just like a strategy you can use for any of these coins that have this like grand trend line that they break. Okay? Earn base, don't know what that is. JS RR, hello. Greens from Mexico, you rule. Hola. Merci. Still cracking up at your train of thoughts on Telegram recently. Figured out in the end. Thank you for our content. Yeah, Telegram is where we have fun. Hemi Evil. I used to be powerlifter as well. My first batch was in exercise science. To all my lifters in here, I have a question. Do you think there's a correlation between mental and physical health? Do you think that working out is good for your brain and your psyche and your emotions and all that? CPV, CRV, Prof. Are you talking to me in code, JS? BTC below 40K, right? Short to 0. Is it? Is it below 40K? Oh no, was Loma right? I mean, to be honest, this could be bad. Could be bad. Let's see. What do we have to worry about? I mean, the SPX is rallying, so I don't see why. I don't know. We'll see. But, you know. Let's see if, what time is it? 3:12. So the 4-hour just closed? Oh, well, okay. Alright, well, yeah. We hold this. It's fine. I don't know, honestly. How are you supposed to, like, really do some serious TA on, overextended parabolic runs aside from just marking out some, levels and saying you just buy and pray? This could be the top. This could. Not the top forever, but, before we get that big correction. But, who knows? We're not trading against. I mean, there's just institutions buying, so you can get in their way if you want. Yeah, can I explain the volume dose thing again? I did in the beginning of the stream. Oh, lots of comments. Love it. Fast relates to the party. Golds be awesome. Where's BTC going? I don't know. Laugh my ass off. Like, so wrong. Yeah. Your voice is so familiar. Did I play poker in Tampa? No, I didn't. I haven't. In middle school, I would every day after school, I would go home and go on Facebook and play Zynga Poker, Texas Hold'em, and I loved it. And I ran up, honestly, a pretty nice stack in there to, like, a couple million, I think. But, that was just, fake money, and I probably, got, I think they would just give you free money if you, lost. But I actually did pretty well in that. I loved it. So one day maybe we'll get back in poker. But no, that was me. Good stuff. Thanks, Mike. Why do you have the are you like a mod? Manage. You know what? No. Nope. You might be a mod. If you are, awesome. Outlook for alt dominance. It's all based on ETH. Really. ETH, I don't know. It's all based on ETH BTC. Pretty much. That's it. So, I think it's fine. Might need a little more sideways. But ETH is fine. Alts are going to be the greatest thing to ever happen. They really are. Let's go down to guess. Any analysis on Matic? Yeah, I hate this coin. Alright. Matic. Just trash candle. Just try to buy it there. 49 sats. Sweep those lows. Buy it at 46 sats. That's that. T-Fuel should do well soon, I'd say. Yeah, T-Fuel took a loss on that this week. I mean, honestly, this is a level you buy it at. At 68, anything below. Because you kind of look at it and you're like, you kind of just view it as a move up and then a range and then a deviation below and then a move up, and now it's kind of retesting it. But that's really it. I mean, if you really have faith, I think this is kind of where you get it. What's this low? 67, 68. So anything under 67 in theory should be good. Definitely want to see the weekly close above this level. Thoughts on sushi? Yeah, sushi's good. Sushi good. 100%. That definitely most definitely. Start following recent Twitter. Good stuff. Awesome. If you're ever trained than not. There's 100% correlation between physical and mental health. I agree, man. 100%. 100%. Don't know. Yeah. 100%. Doing a tough compound movement, your whole brain lights up. It takes a lot of brain power to move in coordinated fashion. Okay. There's definitely a positive correlation, but some of the most jacked people I know are at least confident. Well, maybe that's because they're getting jacked to make up for their confidence. Maybe. Bouncer diet while it's bleeding. Honestly, working out, but even just cardio is very good for mental health. Yeah, for sure. I've gotten that runner's high before. It's awesome. My stop loss, got hit. Take a look. Bitcoin dominance, all stress is evil. What affects your mind affects your body and vice versa. If range of those goods for alts, yup. Now left for as a doctor, I can confirm that good physical health promotes overall mental well-being by releasing endorphins. Good, but it's the weekend. Evening Bro, hi JR. Tommy, outlook on alt dominance. Could you talk about ETH already? I changed the Zinc poker to real poker, not the same. Don't do it. Well, I would assume it's not the same. I've dabbled in poker, but like not really. What's with the potato quality? Dude, I've explained this before. I'm not going to explain it again. I've explained it before. What are your thoughts on Elrond? The single pot. Okay. It's too many coin requests at once. Can you guys like vote? Think want to take some of Theta's value. Tunes earlier Phantom. Yeah, Phantom. Isn't Phantom involved with Andre? Low-key. Good morning, Tunesy. Hi, Polo. Any thoughts on waves? Waves. Yeah, waves is an interesting one for sure. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Delete. I mean, it just kind of looks like a parabola that broke. I don't know. Kind of a tough look for waves. Like, I don't know. This is such crypto has such weird charts. I swear, such weird charts. Okay, comes down here, double bottom, rips up. We're gonna figure this out, Polo. We're gonna figure it out. Dude, what is with these? These don't even make any sense. Sometimes you just gotta search through time frames and just try to make it make sense. They just, I don't know. To be honest, I think it's just kind of like, you just hope that that is the bottom. You could buy down here. Yeah. This thing actually bounced right now. I don't know, dude. I don't know, Polo. It's pronounced. Yeah, Pete. Like you're gonna say it's pronounced and then write the word out, and then I'm gonna be like, oh, it's pronounced that way. It's pronounced parabola. Is that what you want me to say? Oh man. Thoughts on Chainlink? Already did it, brother. Hey, bros. You looked at Adam? Yeah, we did. Any advice on a long Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi. Yeah. I mean, you know, Wi-Fi is. Yeah. Probably just. Well, let's see. Wi-Fi could be a good one against Bitcoin, but as for the moment, it's getting rejected. I don't know. I don't know about Wi-Fi. Soon, when things go, this is the one you want to be in for sure. When things go, but kind of want to wait on ETH, I think, for a lot of these coins. A lot of these coins are like, you gotta understand. Let me just rant for a minute. You gotta understand that, like, a lot of what these coins do don't really matter as much as we like them to. Most of these alts are just very correlated, and you're just basically going to have them all move together for the most part. Like, you have different sectors, so I guess, you have DeFi as a sector, which can move on its own, but it does seem like it's kind of getting a bit more in sync with the other altcoins. At least that's what I'm gandering. So personally, I think, like, you're best focusing on ETH BTC, and then once ETH BTC breaks like 0.04, then like you just degen into whatever. But until then, it's a waiting game. A lot of these coins are going up against USD, but that's because Bitcoin's at $40,000. So, you're gonna miss out on what, 20 or 30%, so that when ETH flips 0.04, that then you can get a few 100% or 1,000% on these coins. I think it's okay to be a little protective with your Bitcoin and kind of just wait. Tuesday thoughts on Polkadot? Yeah, that's a good one. It's a good one for sure. Well, this didn't work. God damn it. Like, you want to see this 100. I mean, yeah, it's too soon, honestly. It's another rookie mistake. You want to see this 100 be flat. Like, it's just going down. I think it's kind of why price just gets rejected by it. But you want to see it. Like, you want to see it do what's going on with RSR. Like, you see how it's like flat, and now it's almost like ready to curve up. That's what you want to see happen with DOT. But right now it's still going down. So until it does that, can't hurt to wait. Can't hurt to wait. Should I get a treadmill if I live in a flat? Nah, dude. Treadmill's overrated. Just go outside. Gym's closed, air's trapped. Dude, my gyms are closed too. Like, I haven't gone to a gym in almost a year, which is ridiculous. I was legit benching and like deadlifting and squatting like 225, all three. And like right when I hit that milestone, they're like, "Oh yeah, you can't go to gyms anymore." It's like, okay, guess you just have fun staying skinny. Falling lows near bottom. Please tunes plec BZRX get better soon. Hi as Mike, what are you talking about? There's barely any sell volume. It's bullish, I'd say. Yeah, liquidity. Yeah. I don't think people are really selling. I don't know. Do you think BC fell today because of the relief for DXY today? Yeah. Can you take a look at ZIL? ZIL's actually an interesting one. This is a setup I've been eyeing. Honestly, you might. I mean, this could be a good one. ZIL could be a good one. Yeah, I like ZIL. I like so. This is one I was planning on taking. I haven't taken it. I didn't take it. That's what I do. I like place these things on my charts so that when price hits them, I'll be like, okay, now I enter. But I almost want to see this 20 curve down first. You know what I mean? I want to see this curve down. You know what I mean? That's what I want to see happen. Sushi's leverage bet on Wi-Fi like KSM is for DOT. Is that how that works? I didn't know it was KSM. Got you. KSM is built on Polkadot. That and ADA look good charts since how many years you're into crypto and trading. Well, I'm a 2017 dude. Thoughts on Zeke and Vito if you get into vet? I haven't actually looked at vet in a while, but I've been hearing. I mean, it's just, yeah. You want to get, yeah. I mean, it was doing some cool stuff. Another idea scrapped, but just wait for it to get over this 100. You know what I mean? Just wait for it to get over the 100. Like a lot of these coins. Just wait. Just want that first. What is Bitcoin at? What did you guys do? 395. This would not be the best daily close. Well, right now what you're dealing with is this. So, gotta just not break this level until a few hours. It's like 2 4-hour candles. So basically what you want to see is this 4-hour close above here, and then the next one be green, and then that's your green signal. But who knows what's gonna happen? What do you guys think is gonna happen? How many people are in here? 50. Wow. That's so cool. I look at my analytics and it says that after about 1 hour and like 10 minutes of streaming, that's like it just starts a steady decline. So we started. What time do we start at? I have no idea. Oh wait, I can look at my tweet. 41 minutes. Okay, so in 20 minutes, there's going to start being a steady decline. So I just want to preemptively say thanks for coming out to the stream. just want to preemptively say, guys, like, thank you, appreciate it. I know in about 20 minutes, everyone's going to start leaving, headed for the door, which is great. Because, like, honestly, I feel like an hour is, like, a good... Once you do a full hour, it's like, all right, do we really want to watch this guy stream? I don't know. I have a... Yo, fuck you guys. You guys are leaving. Unreal. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, man. I'm joking. I have grand plans for streams this year. They haven't come to fruition yet, but it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. We got 50. We don't 50. You still got 52. You know what I mean? So here's the thing. all the big streams, they have like 300, 400, like whatever. It's like, okay, do they read all their comments? No. Do they chart your guys' coins? No. You know what I mean? Except I guess Messiah does. Messiah charts your guys' coins. Messiah's the man. But we have fun here. Also have COVID, and I'm just a little bit delirious. You know what? Actually, the one thing I truly despise about these streams is that YouTube doesn't let you play music. Like, I literally have like so many playlists, and I thought I've made playlists for the past like 10 years of my life, and I literally thought that I was gonna be able to use them for my streams, and I can't. And it's actually almost heartbreaking, because they would make the stream so amazing. But now there's just this emptiness between my words. It's like, why is that the way that the world's set up, where if I'm streaming with 50 people, why can't we all just listen? Why can't we all just listen to songs together? I don't get it. It's like, Jesus, like, who cares? Is my is my quality this bad? Oh my god. What are you? Okay, if you're here right now, tell me what you're here. What you're here for? Are you here to? Okay. Are you here because like you're bored and kind of like enjoy hanging out in a stream? Are you here because like you kind of want to hear, specifically my opinions on the markets? Are you here because you want me to chart your coins for you? I don't know. Those are the only three things that someone would be here for? Or are you here to learn about like technical analysis and just kind of like pick up on like things like that? Or maybe all the above. Maybe all the above. Sound like you need a hug. I do need a hug, man. I've been quarantined from my roommate. I haven't seen anyone in like a week, dude. Not that long, but I'm lonely. This quarantine is so dumb. How do I know Loma? He's my butler. You should share your Spotify accounts when you check them out. See, I would, but then I'm pretty sure that would like dox me or whatever. I'm a musician. If our business was fair, we'd let people use music, but it hasn't gone a certain way. You need to learn about. Like, if our music was a business fair, we'd let people use music. Okay. Like, how much money are you losing out on by some people just hanging out? It's like if I was having, like, what's the difference between me having a party with 50 people and then I play the songs off Spotify to the party and we all hang out and listen to them, or if I stream to 50 people and then I play the songs on Spotify and we all listen together? I guess because when you stream, you can get sponsors and stuff, so then technically the music is becoming a part of the whole, like, whatever, which is creating, money through sponsors. But I don't have sponsors. Why would I have sponsors? We're just hanging out. Send music on Clubhouse, stream on YouTube. I don't know what that means. But I'm going to write that down because that sounds like you know what you're talking about. Send music on Clubhouse. Stream on YouTube. Dude, I was thinking like maybe if I like play this song, if I like download the songs and like a different frequency and then like play them, that like they wouldn't pick up on it. This probably makes no sense. What's the best source to learn price action? I mean, like, you know, Cred has a lot of good stuff. Yeah, I guess, like, you know, Cred's free stuff. I'm not gonna push you towards a paid thing. I would just, like, follow some good price action traders and try to just kind of copy their charts. Not like copy, but kind of like just like try to learn how to emulate their style. Find some free music that you like. No, dude, it's all trash. For the TA board, all Pocket P people. Howdy. I'm here for the free BTC giveaway. Oh yeah, how'd you guys know? Just like and retweet my tweet and you're entered. Okay, your thoughts on the market, all the above, learn about charts. Okay, so basically because crypto streams are fun, I guess is the answer. Learn about charts. What do you think will be the decentralized video platform that takes people away from YouTube? Dude, like, you know, I don't think that's going to happen. I highly doubt that even happens. People need advice from more experienced market participants. Yeah, okay. I'm here for the booze. I haven't drank since getting this disease. 340. If it was later, I would be. I don't know if I want to drink tonight or not. Like, I don't want to wake up tomorrow and feel like potentially worse. You know? Play some lo-fi. If you can't use your own playlist, it's always chill. Is lo-fi, like, if I do that, will I not get the DMCA? Entry stop and TP, please. JR. First time showing in a charter, just trader stream. Wanted to learn what they're like and listen to me other Boston crypto people. My man, you're from Boston? Yeah, dude. Well, let me tell you. Not all streams are the same. Because mine's the best. I guarantee that. I guarantee it. Hey, man, your market views would be cool. BTC seems like on a knife's edge right now. Yeah, I mean, when does it not? Basically, yeah. 2 4-hour closes. Oh, wait. Yeah, 2 4-hour closes above this level, and it's going to go up. What's your job, man? My job's talking to you. I'm here to confirm my bias about all these exciting markets. Nice. Honest. It's the principle. Do you want me using your charts to open a paid group? I don't think you could. What the fuck happened to T-Fuel? It went down, man. I got stopped out. I lost on T-Fuel this week. BTC is breaking down. DXY looks like reversing. Play them inverse. Hey, any thoughts about 1 inch? It's a good time to enter alts. I think just wait a little bit. Here in Brighton, all right. Is that any of your portfolio in USD? Yeah. Yes, man. See what you don't like here is that you have these lows here. I bet you a bunch of people have their stops here. Please don't nuke on stream. Please don't nuke on stream. Damp it. How do you sleep in this market? I mean, dude, I've slept in this market forever. You get used to it at a certain point. Best stream confirmed. Yes. Okay, so do this for us. Say BC doesn't bounce from that level. What is your bearish scenario? I mean, dude, like, when you say bearish, like, what kind of time frame are you on? Like, the most bearish possible thing that could ever happen is a retest of 20K, which would hold, in my opinion. But do we really get that? No. Definitely not. I don't think so. Because, like, you're going to get these, like... You're going to get these, like, wicks, which is just shaking out over leveraged traders. But I think you just have too strong of a bid that's, like, going to step in the moment that happens for it to ever really come back down here. So, but, you know, let's go to the 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, I would bet that this level holds. It's my guess. That's my financial advice. For new to crypto, mainly buying alts on Coinbase with USD and following CT calls. Is it the best way to start in crypto? The best way to start in crypto is not to follow CT calls. Okay, Wolf of Trick. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to start ignoring every single person on your timeline. Except for Loma. This one dude is going to be your mentor. And you're not necessarily... Oh my god. Loma. So annoying. Okay. You're not necessarily going to copy him. But what you're going to do is you're going to see this and you're going to try to learn how to draw your charts the same way that he does. You're going to try to learn to draw your charts the same way he does. And then you're going to try to not copy trade him, but you're going to try to understand why he's taking the trades that he does, and then try to learn that style, and then try to emulate that style so that you start trading the same way that he does. That's my best advice. Lil Yachty just tweeted about Doge. Like, I wish Loma wouldn't just, like, tweet out this bullshit, or he's just, like, implying that they were about to dump. It's so annoying. He's just... It's just annoying. Loma. Do you trade stocks? Can you repeat your thoughts on Theta and T-Fuel? I don't trade stocks, but I bet I definitely will. Like, I know I will in the future, but I don't. Can you repeat your thoughts on Theta and T-Fuel? Yeah, dude. They're both going to go up. I mean, dude, they were at 10... Theta was at 10 cents last year. Now it's at, like, around $2. Like, it's just a long-term thing. You know what I mean? Like, when you try to, like, when you try to take a coin with a chart like this, and you try to like mark out his ranges, it's 5 or 10% ranges, and you try to like put your stop somewhere and put on the leverage, like unless you like really know what you're doing, you have a lot of experience, like you're most likely just going to get chopped up and give your money back to the market. And it's kind of the same thing with theta. Like, you know, I could see something like this happening, which was this is what I was saying I think would happen. But you know, if you think Bitcoin is topped out here, then, you know, get defensive, and that's fine. But, I mean, I think most people would do better just kind of doing some buy and hold for, a few months to a year, better than trying to do a million flips and whatnot. Trying to, like, trade a 5 or 10% range and put up the leverage and whatnot. Did Charles Hosk hit that crypto finally? Dude, get that nonsense out of the chat. Okay, wait, how long ago did we start the stream? I think it's been an hour. Alright, 1 hour. Guys, thank you. 55 is going to start. Going to start festering out, which is fine. We knew this would happen. Thank you so much for coming out. I'm not leaving, but I know you are. I've seen the data. Numbers don't lie. Numbers don't lie. Oh, dude, guys, I have my headphones in, and I'm just listening to the best music, and you guys can't hear it because YouTube won't let you. YouTube doesn't want us to have a good time. So if I play these songs, I'm like YouTube channel gets like banned or something. It's like, but I want you guys to know that for you, I am listening to the best music you could ever imagine. Alright, let's okay. I've thought about this in my head. How do I make people stay longer than an hour? And I think we have to switch it up. So we did an hour of like charting and stuff. So now, I don't know. Now, let's, Jesus Lord. Best stream confirmed. Heard it from reputable source. Boom. It's my guy. In case you missed it. Homo. Alright, let's just see what the timeline is saying. Dump time. Is it dump time, or are we gonna pop back up to this level? We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Play music, dude. I can't, Bubbles. I'm literally listening to "Dear Boy" by Avicii right now. Like I'm on cloud 9. I'm on cloud 9. How do I feel with Corona? Cloud 9. Hope all's on, my guy. I appreciate you doing this for us. Sure thing. Praying for a dump, hoping money will flow to my over allocated alt bags. Yeah. Free BTC giveaway to make people stay. I'm not gonna pay people to stay. That is so desperate. Right now, we're just all a family watching the 1 minute. Let's do paper trading. Let's do paper trading. One more. One more. One more. Okay, this is the paper trade. Do we think it'll hit? One more. I'm joking, my man. Hate that YouTube has to be a jerk. Love the stream. Yeah, dude, it's so annoying. Appreciate it. Everyone is hoping for that. Get people engaged. Nah, BTC go down. Oh, bro. Nah, it's gonna come back. Here's what's gonna happen. Ready? This is what's gonna happen. You get rejected right at this line right here. Gonna get that. And then that. That's gonna happen. You're just trying to squeeze a few more minutes out of everyone with this paper trade. No. Why would I do that? I want to know, like, what do you guys think? So here's the thing. When Bitcoin is this high, like, I'm telling you, like, no one knows what's going to happen in these little ranges. Like, it's just, you're just basically a spectator at this point. It's just like, you just think, okay, if it gives you a 10% dump, you buy it until it doesn't work. You know, that's about it. When it's going parabolic like this, hey, look, it came back to my level. God damn it! Why wouldn't you just go another, whatever. This level is the level though. 3.9, whatever. Did you ever do any Gen Uniswap plays? No, not really. Oh my god, look! Guys, look. I told you! Exactly at 1 hour. We gotta get Sam to create a market on this. Wild stuff. See, I should just end my streams after an hour so that I don't have to endure this humiliation. Numbers don't lie. Data don't lie. It doesn't. Biden, stimulus package being trillions of dollars. Oh, man. They gave me the stimmy, that's all I wanted. Someone really doesn't want risk into the weekend. Decent spot to try punting an ETH long. Oh, you know what? If Khalil says it's a decent spot, it probably is, because Khalil is just an absolute animal. Like, honestly, it's actually crazy. You guys follow Khalil? If not, I highly recommended it. Highly recommend. We'll stay if you put the Liverpool game on. Dude. We only watch real sports here, okay? We only watch real sports. Why is everyone on CT so bullish on Wi-Fi all of a sudden? Why Wi-Fi? I mean, dude, Wi-Fi went 100x in not a long time. So whenever it starts going, that it kind of becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy where, you know, if it starts going, it's kind of like, oh, Wi-Fi is running. Oh, okay, now it's gonna really run. You know what I mean? So every time it prints a little bit, you're gonna see that, like, it's gonna attract a lot of interest. Followed seeing things from Europe. I hope the corona situation can get better in the U.S. Dude, I mean, honestly, I think it's fine here. Like, I don't know why the bars aren't open. It's kind of ridiculous, but... Who are the best traders on CT? Probably, like, Loma, Hisaka, Kaleo, and I mean those might be my top three, but I don't know. Don't worry, people. Funny joke. I feel like I follow so many like ridiculous accounts. It's like I like can't even scroll my timeline for a crypto stream because it's just like will derail it. Wi-Fi is low supply, easy to pump. I mean, it doesn't really matter. But I guess I don't know. I don't know enough about the on-chain stuff. If that's what you're referring to, or if you're just literally talking about supply, that doesn't really matter. The corona situation is bad only in the TV. Oh, 4.9. Alright. See, I kind of like a small... I think anywhere from like... I don't know. Obviously, I want to like have hundreds of people in the stream just for my own like narcissistic ego, whatever, because I think that would be like validating. But like I don't know, there's something about having a small crew and it's not the same when it's like a one-time thing. It's more so like if it's like a schedule, like a recurring thing, like, you know, every week this time, and then that's like the same, you know, 40 guys, and it's not even like, oh, for me, I see all of you, and then it's great, but then even like for you guys, and like you guys see the same people, and then like we all kind of become friends and stuff like that. And I think that's probably the most interactive and coolest part of, you know, the entire Twitter stuff, the crypto stuff. Because honestly, I don't know if you guys know who Dum is, D-U-M, but he used to stream back in 2018 a lot, and in 2019. If I remember correctly, it was 2018 where he would stream a lot. And I really looked forward to those streams, and it was like twice a week or something, and I would just show up for everyone, and then I started recognizing familiar faces, and like he recognized me, and it was just very nice. And so I think if I could foster a community like that, that would be awesome. But if you get too many people, like if you get hundreds of people, I feel like it almost makes it a bit less intimate, because then it's like, oh, he's not reading my comments, like I'm not involved in any way, versus, and that's what a lot of these big streams are like, I feel like, you know, like you just kind of listen to people talk, and that's great. Wouldn't you want a little bit of that, like, intimate, like, I don't know. Dude, no. Come on. Come on. Hold on, ready? See? Perfect. Exactly what I said would happen. It's gonna touch it. Do I work besides trading? No. Okay, filled. Filled. Stop. 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 Up. 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 Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. 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 Yes. No. Yes. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh, this is so. This is intense. Oh man. We have to go to a lower time frame to see what's going on. Why did my thing just disappear though? Oh, right. So far, so good. And then the key is, I guess it doesn't matter. Can't let Loma win. Can't let Loma win. Oh no. Time is it? It's 04. Set an hourly close. Muted. I'm just trying not to jinx it. Am I sleeping? No. I just got very scared there watching it. The stream is going to end when this trade is closed. This paper trade. What do we think, boys? What do we think? Don't jinx it. Don't jinx it. Come on, Bitcoin. We can't let Loma win. Down here, Loma wins. Down here, Loma wins. Fagsy, where the stream is ending, bro. I'm sorry. Down here, Loma wins. And then up here is financial freedom. The stream is ending when one of these, either Loma wins or we all get financial freedom. Oh man. Are we really gonna let Loma win again? Are we really going to let Loma win again? We can't. We can't let Loma win. We can't let Loma win. We cannot let Loma win. Oh my god. What do we think? Don't close below the 20. I like that these volume bars, you see how these two went down? And then you see how these two volume bars that went down on the dump? That's a good sign, because what did we learn about volume? If volume decreases, that means that the trend tends to be fraudulent. But then you want to see that this volume bar greater than this one. Big candle. Big candle. Just killed my wife and used the life insurance policy to long the Ponzi. Wish me luck. Initiate crab 17. What does that mean? The Bogs. Who's the Bogs? Okay, well. Alright. Okay. Dump it, Loom Dart. You want Loma to win? Do I get a girlfriend if TP is hit? Yeah, I steal Loma's girlfriend. I legit steal Loma's girlfriend. And before we range, I know. That feeling when no 2 of 3 multi-sig girlfriend. I know. See, if I was smart, I would just be like, the TP is this white line. But no, we need to... This needs to be the bottom. Like, this needs to be the beginning of a V, if you see what I'm saying. Like that. It's gonna struggle with this line. This is where the bears are like, don't get it over this line. That's it. They don't want it over this line. Thing is that if you short down here, your stops are probably like right here. That's why if we break this level, it probably shoots right up to the TP if we hit this level. Because, oh no! That's the level right there. This hits, I'm buying myself Uber Eats. Which, well, I'm not going to hit myself. You don't know. But if it does, I'm ordering Uber Eats. Fall looks good in the 15. Should we check it real quick? It's a gross candle. 15 doesn't look too good. Overall, I still think it looks fine. Like, overall, don't think, like, not to say that is going to be the bottom, but overall, if this holds the way that this is developing, it's fine. Just like a slow trend up. Because this is the most important level here. But it's okay that we're, bounce below it and kind of have this V, but probably want it to pop up in the next 3 minutes so that it can then come back down into this level and retest it. It come up here and then come back down, but just want to like dip below it and pop up and then come back and retest it. This is good buy volume. Low sell, buy. I don't know. We'll see what we get here. See what we get. Get what you deserve. I forgot I'm full screen. Sorry. Didn't mean to not be reading comments. What is under Financial freedom area. Financial freedom, that's the target. If it hits that, we have financial freedom and we all get girlfriends. But if it goes down here, then Loma wins and pretty much life is ruined. Drop to 30K would still be bullish. I mean, it's like a long conversation. Even a drop to 20, like honestly, one of the most bullish things, as dumb as it sounds, would be a dump to 20K in terms of like longevity for this run on like a longer time frame, but this is not gonna happen. You're not getting a 50% pullback and then like continuation, I don't think. Hope you all doing well. I was on Bitstamp chart, LOL, looked much better. Oh, yeah. That's the thing about volume, though, is that, I mean, I feel good about it when it's on, Binance, because Binance is one of the most high, like, you know what I mean? But, like, on Bitstamp, because it's not as much volume, sometimes you're going to get, it's not going to be that reliable or indicative of like how the market is actually handling price. I mean, 30K is still a higher low. Yeah. So the thing about it, Panta, is it's like there's certain levels where like if it went down that low, you would think it would go even lower, I think. So that's why it's like, I don't know. That's all I mean. That's why it's like kind of tough. It's not as simple as like, okay, if it goes to 20K, yeah, then if it goes 30K, well, it's like, but if it went to 30K, then like maybe it would go to 20K and all that, blah blah. Some here, and I think that when that level gets hit, you're gonna see just a spark up and wick above where our target is once that level is hit, if that level gets hit. That's what I think, at least. But what do I know? I don't know. For the sake of the stream, just hit. Come on. We got things to do. We got Uber Eats to order. We got... Some of us have wives that probably want us to give them attention. Kids. We have responsibilities. Maybe a movie, sports are on. So close, yet so far. This would be torture. 39695.77, 39679. Yeah. What are you gonna eat? I don't know. If it hits and I have financial freedom, then I'm gonna get whatever I want of Uber Eats. But if it doesn't, then probably just starve myself for the rest of the night. Hey! Let's go! Woo! All right. Beautiful. And that's beautiful. What's that? 4.23R. Wonderful. Wonderful. Will this prove to be the bottom? Who knows? I'm glad we did it together, guys. I'm glad we did it together. Financial freedom. Loma loses. Time to buy a new wife. We all gonna make it. We're all making it. Good game. That was beautiful. Loma can ship his girlfriend to you now. Yes, he should. He should. He should. Woo! I want to thank the chat. My best friends in the world. I don't know when my next stream will be, but felt it was a good time being, I don't know. Enough. That's the stream. RIP Bears. Feel free to let Loma know that we all just stole his girlfriend because of that. Because Loma was implying that the top was in and we were going to keep dumping because of all this. And so we said no. We're longing because of Loma, and now we all have girlfriends, and Luma loses. So let him know. Thanks for making work pass by faster. Sure thing. Yeah. One coin I'm watching is JST. I like this one because it just flipped. It's 100 and looks that there's not really much above it, so I guess that's my little nugget for anyone in the stream. JST. But that's it. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Thank you to Loma for the trade. And yeah, shout out everyone. Rasta, Tote, and PL, Panta, Fahim, Hemi, Amori, Skynet, Jelmd, Panta, Dash, Evan, Hemi, Lucas, Tabo, Goldsby, JR, Tone Pole, Lucas, Christian, Hemi, Fahim, Goldsby. Yeah. Thank you all. I have fun, and I look forward to doing it again. So, bye, go. Yeah. Later, guys. Till next time. Cheers.